Thank you for viewing this demonstration from Astute Semantics. My name is Sydney Terrison, and I'll be introducing Pharmacy GUI, a precursor to universal ListMan emulation in the browser. This presentation is best viewed in 1080p HD and full screen mode. The focus today is on the inpatient order entry option of the unit dose medications menu, which utilizes ListMan. ListMan is a presentation method used for the text-based terminal environment. And here's another example of ListMan in the TIU Browse Document Manager. Note the consistencies in layout. There are other methods as well to display information in a mock GUI for this terminal-based environment, one of which being ScreenMan. Here's an example of that. Here we're in the Modify option of FileMan, and you can see that we're modifying the name field, field 0.01, in file number 2, which is the patient file. Browser emulation for both ListMan and ScreenMan would cover a high percentage of VistA's roll and scroll, providing an intermediary step toward complete VistA modernization. Now, we've already emulated ScreenMan, as you can see here in some of our previous work, FileMan GUI. Let's go ahead and see the same modify screen in our web rendition. And here you have it. With that in mind, let's go ahead and refocus on the inpatient order entry screen. What we're going to do today is create a new order and queue it up for verification. At which point, we're going to do the same thing in our application, and the results should be visible in CPRS. Let's get started. So here we're entering our drug, and now the dosage ordered, medical route, schedule, type, times, take with care. And here we have it. The order is ready to be accepted, at which point it will then be ready to be verified. Let's hit accept here. And this is where we're going to stop in our application. So remember this screen. The order that we just queued up for verification in our terminal is now visible here under the active modifications. And you'll notice that it's in the non-verified status. It's equally visible in the orders section. Let's perform a similar task in our web version. Upon login and patient selection, we're greeted to a familiar screen. This is the first screen that we saw in terminal as well. And these actions can be accessed by either typing in the acronym, the full name, or the new functionality of clicking on them. In contrast to the list of questions provided in terminal, we provided a sequence of pop-ups which will go ahead and carry out the same task. And before moving on, double question mark does provide help, and that help is also accessible by hovering over the caption as well. But let's carry on. And here we have our review screen, with the middle component being scrollable rather than having to page through. And when we click Accept, we're provided with the same options that we saw originally, and the review screen stays up for verification. At this point, the action we just took in our web application has made its way over to CPRS, both here in the active medications portion of the cover sheet and here in the Orders tab. So why is this so exciting? Well, if we can master the web translation of ListMan, ScreenMan, and all the others, then a comprehensive modernization of VistA's roll and scroll could be executed. Very exciting, I know. Well, thank you for taking the time to view this demo, and I do look forward to hearing of your feedback at sterrison@astutesemantics.com. Thank you.